Hey there, it's Brienne Du Bois with Moving to Middle Georgia, your go-to resource for all things home buying, selling, and living in this amazing community. Whether you're new to the area or have been calling Middle Georgia home for a while now, today's video is all about something we all need to think about: home maintenance. Taking care of your home doesn't have to be overwhelming, and I'm here to help you make it a little easier with some simple tips that can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. So first up, let's talk about seasonal home maintenance. Every single season brings different challenges, especially here in Middle Georgia. You get super hot summers, you've got some cold winters. So here's just a quick rundown of what to look for in each season. In spring, this is the time to focus on cleaning out your gutters and your downspouts. You may want to make sure that they're free from debris, leaves, so that water can flow freely every time it rains. It's also a great time to check your roof for any damage from winter storms, loose shingles, cracks, leaks. Summertime, this is a prime time for taking care of your HVAC system. Middle Georgia summers can be brutal, so schedule a professional to come and inspect your air conditioning unit. Clean and replace your air filters every month to keep it running efficiently. Fall. Now's the time to check the exterior of your home. You can seal up any cracks in the foundation or walls to prevent that cold air from creeping in. And don't forget to drain and store your garden hoses before the first freeze. And in winter, test your heating system before the cold hits hard. Also, look at your windows and doors for drafts. If you feel any cold air coming in, it might be time to upgrade the weather stripping. So, now all of this maintenance can sound like a lot, but I promise it's much more manageable when you have a routine. One of the best ways to stay on top of everything is by creating a home maintenance schedule. So here's how to make it work. You have your monthly tasks. So these are the small things you should check every month to keep your home in good shape. For example, changing your HVAC filters like we talked about, testing your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, looking under the sinks and around toilets for any leaks. Just doing these quick checks each month will prevent small issues from turning into giant things a little bit later on and causing you a huge headache. Twice a year, it's a good idea to use that daylight savings time switch as a reminder to tackle some of the bigger home maintenance tasks. So when you're setting your clocks forward or back, it's a great time to clean your gutters and your downspouts. That's a great time to inspect your roof for damage. Test your water heater's pressure relief valve. Replace the batteries in your smoke detectors. By doing these tasks as a recurring event, it's just easier to remember and it becomes part of your routine. We call that habit stacking. At least that's what I call my kids. You take one habit, like what you're going to do anyway, setting your clocks back, stacking it with something else that you need to do. And don't forget about annual tasks like having your HVAC system serviced, pressure washing your home's exterior, or cleaning out the dryer vent. You can schedule these tasks on the same day each year, like right before summer hits for the HVAC checkup. Now, speaking of HVAC systems, this is literally one of the most important parts of home maintenance, especially in our region where we rely on heating and cooling almost year round. Here's what I recommend to keep your system in tip-top shape. So again, I think this is the third time I've said that. Change your filters regularly. Dirty filters make your system work harder and can cause it to break down faster. I suggest changing them every 30 to 60 days. Keep your vents clean. Make sure nothing is blocking your vents, and every now and then vacuum them out to remove all that dust. And then getting annual checkups. It's just like your car. Your HVAC needs a yearly tune-up to catch small problems before they turn into big and expensive ones. So let's move on to something we all use daily, but don't think about until it's too late: your water systems. Trust me, a little attention now can save you from major water damage later. So here's what to check. Check for leaks. So you can just go through your home systematically and check under your sinks, around the toilets, and near water heaters for any signs of leaks. Even a small drip can add up over time and cause huge problems. Your water heater, if your water heater is more than 8 to 12 years old, it might be time to start thinking about a replacement. A broken water heater can cause flooding, which is never fun. Flushing your water heater once a year to remove sediment buildup can help extend its life as well. Your outdoor plumbing, don't forget to turn off those outdoor spigots before winter. You turn off the water supply so they don't freeze and cause bursting pipes. So safety first when it comes to electrical systems. Here are a few things you should check at least once a year for this. Test test your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. That's easy, but it's something we all overlook. They need to replace those batteries twice a year and the detectors themselves every 10 years. Check outlets and breakers. If you notice any outlets not working or if breakers are tripping frequently, it is time to call in an electrician. Protect your appliances also from power surges, especially during storms. Middle Georgia does get its fair share of thunderstorms, so investing in whole house surge protection might be a great idea for preventative maintenance. Lastly, let's not forget about curb appeal. Your yard and the exterior of your home are the first things people see, so a little maintenance goes a long way. And here in Georgia, we're lucky to have a climate that supports a variety of beautiful plants year-round. Here's how you can keep your lawn and garden looking its best. So mow regularly, that's a no-brainer, right? And water early in the morning to prevent fungal growth. Some people have sprinkler systems, some people don't. It's totally up to you. I've had houses with sprinklers and some without, and the grass has still been fine. As for plants and which ones to choose, here are some that are just super low maintenance and Georgia-friendly options. We have a lot of azaleas around here. They're iconic in Georgia. They're vibrant. They have beautiful blooms. They thrive in partial shade and well-drained soil, making them perfect for your garden beds around your home. Gardenias, known for their fragrant white flowers, they are a great choice as well. They're great for, around the hedges. They love full sun to partial shade and bloom in late spring to early summer. Hydrangeas, they're those large, colorful blooms that you see. You can get blue ones, you can get purple, there's white, but they prefer a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade. So this makes them perfect for Georgia's warm summers. Another one is a flower called lantana. They're really delicate looking. They're really beautiful little bright clusters of flowers. They attract lots of butterflies and they require minimal watering. And then there's one of my favorites, the southern magnolia. I mean, nothing says the South like a magnolia tree, right? It has glossy leaves, huge fragrant blooms. I mean, it's intoxicating. That's how I feel like it is. The smell is amazing. Don't forget to pressure wash your driveway, sidewalks, and siding. It just accumulates dirt and grime over time, so a good pressure wash once a year can keep your home looking fresh and clean. Also check any exterior paint. If it's peeling or fading, you can touch it up, and that will help protect your home from the elements and just boost its curb appeal. Taking care of your yard with the right plants and maintenance not only makes your home more beautiful, but can also increase its value when it comes time to sell. So there you have it, my top home maintenance tips to keep your home in great shape. Just remember, the key to staying on top of it all is to create a routine that works for you. So whether it's monthly, twice a year, or annual tasks, having a schedule will help you avoid being overwhelmed. So if you have any questions about home maintenance or you're thinking about buying or selling here in Middle Georgia, feel free to reach out to me, call, text anytime. I'm here to help make your move, your sale, or your home ownership experience as smooth as possible. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks. And until next time, take care and stay on top of that home maintenance.